Hey everybody, this message is about 2 Corinthians 10:36. Your body will follow your mind. So make your mind so big and then that your body will have to take action to put this stuff together. Kind of like when your mind is narrow, small things agitate you very easily. Make your mind like an ocean. So what that is if you can think it and it's positive and it's good and it's right, take that step and start putting together, because God will send you people, idea, revelation, so you can make it happen to your life. And message me so I can show you how you can double, triple your income. And if you're currently renting right now, have in mind that you can become a homeowner. And this is one of the ways that we can help you to make it happen. Going to the alternative plan, no bankroll, no red tapes.